Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to remove background noise in Audacity. So let's get started. So guys, to remove background noise you have to simply open Audacity. So first I'm going to import a audio track. So to import, here you can see the option of file. So click on file. Now click on import and click on audio. So this is the track. So first I'm going to play this track. Today I'm gonna show you how to check your system generation. You have heard the noise in this audio track. So to remove this noise, simply select that part in which the background noise is present. So after selecting, here you can see the option of effect. So click on effect. Now here you have to simply click on this option, noise removal and repair. In this option you have to simply click on noise reduction and simply click on get noise profile. Then select whole track and click on effect, click on noise removal and repair, click on noise reduction, and this time you have to simply click on OK. Do this again. So guys, now I'm going to tell you what is the purpose of selecting this small part first. So when we select this small part and click on effect, and when we click on get noise profile, so means that we are telling them this is the noise. So we want to remove this noise from whole video. So after that we select whole track, click on noise removal and repair, click on noise reduction and simply click on OK. So doing this, it's remove all the background noise from your whole track. So guys, as you can see, we have removed background noise on Audacity. So you can also remove background noise on Audacity by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.